Today, I'm going to show you how to send high quality photos and videos on WhatsApp. If you've ever been frustrated with blurry images or low resolution videos, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, let's talk about why your photos and videos may lose quality when sending through WhatsApp. By default, WhatsApp compresses files to save data and speed up transfers. But don't worry, there's a way to bypass this. Alright, first things first, open your WhatsApp application. Go to chats and find the person you want to send the photo to. Now, let's send them photos. Now, normally you would tap on plus and click on photos. But if you want to send high quality pictures, click on document and choose photos or videos. From here, you can choose the photos and videos that you want to send. Tap on the attachment. Now browse through. After you found your photo, click on send. And as you can see, it will be gone in the file format and the resolutions of the photos and videos won't be decreased. Now here's a few additional tips to keep in mind. Whenever possible, use Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. Remember that WhatsApp has a file size limit of 100 MB for documents. If you frequently send large files, consider using services like Google Drive or Dropbox and share the link via WhatsApp. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you can send high quality photos and videos on WhatsApp without losing any detail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.